I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up alerts for transactions on your Wells Fargo account can help you stay on top of your finances. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Wells Fargo website or open the mobile app and enter your login credentials. This will take you to your account dashboard where you can manage your settings. Step 2. Navigate to alerts. Once logged in, look for the account services or alerts section in the menu. This is where you can find options to customize your alerts. Step 3. Choose alert types. Select the types of alerts you want to set up, such as transaction alerts, low balance alerts, or deposit notifications. You can usually check multiple options. Step 4. Set your preferences. After selecting the alert types, specify how you want to receive them via email, text message, or push notifications. Make sure your contact information is up to date. Step 5. Save your settings. Finally, review your selections and click the Save button to activate your alerts. You should see a confirmation message once your settings are saved. Remember, if you don't receive alerts after setting them up, double-check your notification preferences and ensure your contact details are correct. Happy banking!